In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your laptop. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But 5 GHz Wi-Fi is usually a lot faster and more stable than 2.4 GHz. Here's how you can go ahead and set this up. On your laptop or computer, go ahead and select the search bar down at the very bottom and type in Device Manager and then hit enter to go to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is actually find the network adapters section within here and select it to open up a page that looks like this and find your specific network adapter within here. Go ahead and double click on it, and from within here it's going to pull up a new page. Go ahead and select advanced just like so, and in this list you're going to want to look for band selection. This should be up towards the top. You're just going to need to find that option for 5 GHz channel bandwidth, select it and change the value to auto or all. After doing so, back out of this area, it might have you restart your PC, but your adapter is going to reload. But that's it. Your laptop is now going to be set to prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.